Long press the upper right corner of the screen. Enter the password to log in to the backend. Click the debug page. Place a cup under the mixing module. It will be used to receive the sauce. Click the sauce button. Keep extracting until no sauce comes out. Return to the debug page to turn off the corresponding sauce button. Then turn off the machine and power off. And in the back electrical cabinet, remove the motor circuit for mixing 4 sauces. Then prepare a flathead screwdriver and a cup. Use the screw to loosen the pipe clamp on the sugar tube. And open the cover on the sugar pump. Take out the tube inside the sugar pump. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry out the sugar tube. And place the tube in the cup to prevent the syrup inside the pipe from splashing out. Return to the front of the machine. Take out the circuit from the area above the sauce barrel. Note the label on the motor. Remove the corresponding motor circuit from the harness. Then unscrew the 4 screws on the edge of the mixing module. And take it out of the barrel. Finally, push the flavor barrel up from the bottom. If the pipe is stuck, tilt the flavor barrel and take it out. Rinse it with clean water after taking it out. Put the flavor barrel back after cleaning. Tilt the barrel first to put the sugar tube down. Then lay the flavor barrel flat. note that the holes of the flavor barrel are aligned with the screw holes. Then install the mixing module back into the barrel. Note that the holes of the mixing module are aligned with the screw holes. And use screws to fix it. Pass all the lines to the electrical cabinet on the back. Then use pipe clamps and screwdrivers to fix the pipes. And install the hose back into the sugar pump. And use pipe clamps to strengthen the connection of the pipes. Find the lines of the 4 motors. Install them back to the control board. Note that they do not need to be fixed in place and plug them in tightly. Go back to the front of the machine, enter the background of the screen. Click the debug page, click the mixing sugar motor. Then check whether the mixing module is working. Finally, turn off the mixing sugar motor and start the 4 flavors. Drain the water from the sugar barrel and the syrup from the pipe. Avoid mixing water and flavor sauce to form lumps. Keep extracting until there is no water or syrup. Finally, turn off the sauce button.